Okay, so let's see how we can create our first package. All right, so to do that, we have to go to packages here on the left hand side, right? Then we click the plus sign. So we can call it a demo uh, package, right? And then you can put in anything you like here. All right. So you can change the color. Okay. All right. Anything you like, and then just click the create button. Right, and then you'll see this interface, which might scare a lot of people, right? So you don't see anything here, so just right click. So to create our first package, we need three things here: input, and then we need, I don't know, something down here, right? So what do we want to put down here? Okay, maybe we'll put this Google, all right, search, and then finally finish. Uh, uh, well, I'll call it node, Node, right? So you've got the three nodes or three boxes here. So you have got input, Google search, and then the results box. All right, so let's do the first one, right? So let's say, for example, we are okay. Well, let's call the input a keyword. So we're going to put a keyword and run that keyword in Google search, and then the results. Once we get the results, we are going to display it using the finish box or node. Okay, so over this, we maybe call it the let's give it a name. This called the end result, right? Or the result. Okay, so now if you click on this, you will be able to see that they've got a name except for this one, right? So let's call this the search, right? So keyword goes in the search, results being pulled out here. Right, so we can enter a default value. So let's say we say washing machine. Okay, right? And then, so how do we link this to this, right? So this is called the do something box. And all the do something boxes, right? All nodes or package. Then you will see like there's a dot on top and a dot below. So if you don't see, you won't see this in any of the other boxes, right? So you cannot really connect. But don't worry, all this are linked, just that you cannot see it, right? So if this confuses you, let me show you. All right. So let's say I have another box that says HTTP request. Now, because I've got a dot above and below, I can start connecting them. Right. So I can do this as well. Right. So it means this box is now connected to this box, and you'll be able to do something together, hopefully. Right. So, but for this demo, I'm just going to show you these three boxes, what you can do. So now that I have put in my keyword, which is washing machine, so how do we put it inside here, right? So we're going to search, right? There are ways to search. We can search for a product or for news or for videos, but in this case, we just do a normal search. Like if you go to google.com and you put in a keyword, you should get, like some results, maybe the top 10 articles or something. Right, and then so this will go into the search query, right? The keyword. So over here, it will tell you that over here doesn't have anything, but don't worry, just type in at, all right, and K. Then you will see this like appearing. So we can just click on this, and then whatever you type now will go into this search query. All right, that's what it means. Okay, and over here, if let's say if you want to type your country, say USA, it's fine. You can just type in directly, right? And then we'll leave this, and then the language is EN English. Or we can just leave it blank. It doesn't really matter, right? So unless specifically you want it in say Mandarin, Japanese, Korean, etc., etc., and then you can type it inside here. If not, we just leave it blank, right? And then that's it, right? And then now so this is done, all right? So now in the results box, what we can do here is we can now say we want, right? So at, again, it's at, right? You just need to type at as, and then you see this, click on this. So we want this result to be displayed here, and you type this into the template, right? So it says this ends up being the rendered output for the package. So where do you get the output from? The output that is here will show up here. All right, and you can name this anything you want. You can say search result for then demo. Okay, and then you can request for it in any format. So in this case, I want to mark down to HTML. Okay, right. So that's it, and then that's it, right? So we can hit the run package. So now they'll check whether we got enough credits because I'm using demo account. All right, so uh, the credits are very little, so I got to be a bit more careful. So we do not have any keys right now. We're just going to leave it blank, and then we can hit the run package. So what essentially packages is doing right now at the back end is that it's taking our keyword, right, putting it in the Google search, and then giving us a result. So once that's done, all right, and you notice this is in green, not any other color, is because earlier on we changed while setting up, right, we changed the color to this green, right? So you can use this as kind of like a tag, like color tag, right? So maybe if you have all the searches, you put in green. If you have scrapers, you put in red, etc., etc. All right. So if I click on file, okay, I don't have anything here, but then I have some raw results. Okay. So this is what I have currently. Okay. So I'm not sure why. Oh yeah. Okay. So finally it arrives. Usually it shouldn't be a problem. So basically this queue here is basically a search query, and the search query is washing machine. All right, and the geolocation is USA, and then this is a typical search, and then the engine returns, Google search engine returns all this, right? So you can see that this like first article on Google search, titled "Washing Machines, Washers, and Dryers, the Home Depot," and then this is the first article that they found, and I guess this is the meta, and then these are the site links, and no, sorry, then this would be uh, yeah, okay. So then site links, and then again the title, and then another link, and so on and so forth. So you'll see title, link, title, link, title, link, and site links. All right. So this is essentially what we have here, right? So unfortunately, it's just one whole lump, right? But this is in JSON, and then you can probably clean up. If you are wondering, like, how do you clean up? Just copy this and put it in the open, I mean, just GPT, right? And then just say, well, clean this up for me, and just give me only the titles as well as the URLs, and then they will give that to you right now, right? So if you do not have anything to connect right now, okay, and you're just testing out, you can then take the results and go get OpenAI to, I mean, ChatGPT, right, to clean up for you. Then you can make sense that, okay, is this usable data, for example, right? Yeah, the reason why I say that is because in the testing itself, you do not have enough credits to say, bring your own LLM and run the too complex so-called sequence, right? Yeah, because you do not have enough credits. 25 is actually very little. So if you have 50 or 100 credits, then you can maybe try a couple of times, and then see what happens, right? So if you're kind of like uncommitted and you don't want to spend any money, then this is all I have for you. If not, then you go pay $29 or 159 and then go exhaust the credits. And if you don't like it, yeah, get a refund, right? But in just using three simple notes, okay, or simple boxes, you can create your first package, right? And this is that easy, right? Or is that difficult, right? Depending on where you're coming from. Right, so I hope in this video you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.